You guys must have seen videos of people following their winter arc routine, but to follow that specific routine, we need to incorporate new healthy habits, and that is exactly what we're gonna do in this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Wee, and for today's video I will be getting my life back together, forming some new habits and routines, and will try my best to hopefully hold on to those routines till the end of this year so I can start my 2025 already aligned with all my new habits. I have been in kind of a slump these past few weeks, so my room is not in the best shape. Currently on my to-do list is deep clean my apartment, work out, take an everything shower, weekly planning, read a book. This is what my room is looking like. Kind of don't feel good after exposing myself, but I also needed that so I could start cleaning. So let's get cleaning. I completely forgot, you guys. So before we start cleaning, I will need my energy. So we're gonna make matcha first. Also gonna be putting on this hair oil mask so my scalp can marinate before the everything shower, and this is just a concoction of like oils I made so I can do like weekly hair oiling. It is just 1 part rosemary oil, 2 parts castor oil, 3 parts coconut oil, and just squeezed in like a couple of vitamin E tablets, and there you have it. I changed my shirt because it was getting too hot and I stained it. You can see the makeup stains on it. God. And I'm just gonna put my hair in a bun. It kind of matches my shirt. That's cute. I would have been happier if my shirt wasn't stained. The timer has started. Let's go.
Start thinking, all the details start to sink in.
I have cleared all my clothes and everything from the floor. I just need to clean the surfaces.
Cause I was trying to play my part. My lies memorized.
I changed my hairstyle because I look like a potato. It is dark outside. It's only 4:30. I am planning on going back home to visit my parents. I still don't know when it will be, but it will be sometime early next year. But we actually went shopping yesterday and I kind of got some things that I want to show you guys. First off, I got this purse for my mom. This is so cute. It also comes with extendable straps, and also it's like so chic. I love it. Then I got this like little wallet for my dad, bunch of other like clothes and stuff, but I'm not gonna show you guys because it will just be boring.
My lies memorized in my heart.
Guys, my room is finally clean. Oh my god. Okay guys, intermission because I kind of forgot to show you guys something. Yesterday when I went with my friends to get some stuff for back home, I also came across this like Santa cup, and oh my god, it's so cute. Okay, let me show it to you guys. So cute. I am so excited to use this. A pink Santa. The next step is gonna be working out. As I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna start with doing home workouts so I can get into the routine, and I want to make it a habit. I'm gonna be following Madeline Abid. I think I'm pronouncing her name correct. I'm sorry if I'm not. I'm gonna be following her 1 month Pilates plan. The first one is only 11:55 minutes.
Hi besties, it's Madeline back with another at-home Pilates workout, and guess what? This is day 1.
So now that everything's done, I'm planning on taking an everything shower. I'm gonna wash my hair, shave my legs, and do all that fun stuff. I just wanted to show you guys the products I use while taking an everything shower. I use this body wash. It's just the St. Ives hydrating body wash, coconut water and orchid. For the shampoo and conditioner, I use this duo. It's just from Shea Moisture. Shower's done, my hair is wet, I just put it up. But there's also one more thing I do when I'm taking my everything shower, which is shaving my face, also known as dermaplaning. I like to do it after shower just so my face is all moist. I don't know, it's just easier after a shower. I'm just gonna wet my face, put my face wash on. You can use any face oil, I don't have it, so I use my face wash. You'll basically just need a face razor like this. Wear this jacket while doing my skincare because it kind of feels like a bathrobe, but it's not, it's a jacket. I don't know, it just kind of makes me feel bougie. I'm also gonna be using these eye patches from Pixie just because I want to feel extra. Lips are getting too dry. I recently got this weekly planner. Haven't even opened it yet. I want to start planning my week and also be more consistent with my posting on all the social media platforms. I'm not just going to use this for videos, it will also be for the other things that I kind of forget during the week, and hopefully this will help me be more organized. My hair's still wet, but good thing I have one last thing to do before I go to sleep. I need to get in the habit of reading books. I have recently started reading Atomic Habits. I don't know where the cover went. And also I have my water here. This looks like a Stanley cup. It's a knockoff. I got it from Costco. Just so cute. Okay guys, that is all for today's video. I just want to say forming new habits or following the old ones can be difficult. You just have to do it every single day for it to become your daily routine, and it might seem hard at first, but just start slow, listen to your body, and it is okay if you don't do it every single day. You just have to be consistent whenever you can. Life can be hard. I have a corporate job too, so I cannot do this every single day. You don't have to wait for a new year, new month, or even a new day. If you're planning on going to the gym tomorrow, just start something today. Maybe you can just choose what you're gonna wear to the gym. Make sure it's accessible, you have your water bottle filled. Or if you want to start posting more content just like me and you're thinking, okay, maybe I'll just wait, maybe I'll just do it the next month or the next year. And that's what happened to me, and that is why I was never able to post content. And I am gonna try to hold myself accountable, and that's what you should do too. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please comment this emoji in the comment section so I know that you stayed till this far. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.